Hello traders and welcome in a new daily market analysis video. Today is the 7th of June 2022 and this video is brought to you by the market research team at PU Prime. Let's have a quick look on the markets. What do we have on our economic agenda for today and what are the opportunities or the trade signals that we are having today as per the technical analysis? This will be discussed in today's video. Please stay tuned. Starting with the economic agenda for today, basically we can see here that the interest rate decision from the Reserve Bank of Australia exceeded expectations. Basically, the previous interest rate was around 0.35%. Expectations were around 0.60%. However, the Reserve Bank of Australia decided to add or to hike the rates with 50 basis points, basically till 0.85%. Having a look also on some news that we had or economic numbers that we had from the British economy, which included the PMI numbers, both the composite as well as the services. Basically, both numbers came higher than the expectations and forecasts. However, they still remain lower than the previous readings for the month of April. Going forward, today we have the IV PMI from the Canadian economy for the month of May. We have the Energy Information Administration short-term energy outlook today from the US economy, as well as the GDP for the Japanese economy. This will be basically by the beginning of today's Asian session. So that's all basically for the economic agenda. Let's have a quick look on the technical analysis and the charts. Starting with the technical analysis on the dollar index, basically on the 4-hour time frame, we can see here that the dollar index succeeded in continuing the move higher as we expected in yesterday's video. However, the upward move is still not so positive. It's not so bullish at the moment. We are having this price channel to the upside. The 4-hour time frame, we can see here that basically it shows some weakness. This long-legged doji candlestick basically indicates that we might have a retracement to the downside during the day. So basically during the day we will be looking for the levels of 102.20, which is not so far away. We're talking about 40 pips, and by maximum the 101.90 levels as potential support during the day. We are still basically bullish on the dollar index on the medium term. However, on the short term during the day we might have a pullback to the downside. A pullback to the downside on the dollar index, we might see an upward move on the gold trading, especially from the levels of support here that we can see 1840. We can see how many times basically we respected those levels as a potential support. We only had a false break once to the downside. However, it's basically a false break, so we still have this level of support 1840 as a potential level that we will be having an upward move, and the target during the day should be the levels of 1856 during the day. Ending our video with the US Dow Jones and the S&P. We're basically still trading in a sideways range. Nothing much that we're having new. It's an upward move, a correction. We will be waiting for this correction to end and to continue the move to the upside on both the US Dow Jones. We're having our targets around 34,000, and on the S&P exactly the same. However, the target should be 4,300. That was all for today's daily market analysis video. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another videos. Please stay safe.